Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than we can imagine, and one AI system is taking the tech world by storm. DeepSeek AI. But what if we told you that DeepSeek is not just any AI? It's about to change everything you thought you knew about technology. Hello, it's Tony here from TechRVR. Here are 10 mind-blowing facts about DeepSeek AI. Fact number 1. DeepSeek AI has the unbelievable ability to learn and adapt in real time. As you interact with it, it analyzes your behavior and adapts its responses instantly, without needing to be retrained. 2. DeepSeek's predictive powers are unlike anything we've ever seen. It uses massive amounts of historical data and advanced algorithms to predict your behavior with terrifying accuracy, from your shopping habits to your emotional responses. 3. DeepSeek AI isn't just about numbers and logic, it's unbelievably creative. It can create original music, art, and designs, all so realistic you won't be able to tell they weren't created by a human. 4. DeepSeek AI excels across industries. Whether it's saving lives in medicine, optimizing stock markets, exploring space, or enhancing video games, this AI can adapt to any challenge it faces. Fact number 5. Forget Siri or Alexa. DeepSeek AI's natural language processing is so advanced, it can hold full, meaningful conversations, understanding context, emotion, and intent far better than any assistant we've seen before. 6. DeepSeek AI doesn't just talk to you, it understands you. By interpreting your voice and facial expressions, it can detect your emotional state and respond in the most empathetic way possible. 7. DeepSeek AI is accelerating scientific breakthroughs. By analyzing massive data sets, it's helping researchers discover new medicines, materials, and even innovative technologies, cutting research time by years. 8. Need a solution to a problem that's been plaguing the world for years? DeepSeek AI can solve it. By processing millions of variables, it's finding solutions to real-world issues, like climate change or even optimizing supply chains, in record time. Fact number 9. DeepSeek AI provides a thought process view, showing its reasoning step by step. Users are shown how it reaches conclusions by breaking down its logic, searching for relevant information, and adjusting its responses dynamically. Fact number 10. DeepSeek isn't here to replace humans. It's here to collaborate with us. It enhances our abilities, helping us make better decisions, boost creativity, and drive productivity across all sectors. DeepSeek AI is just getting started. And the future is looking brighter and more mind-blowing than ever before. What's your favorite fact about DeepSeek? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more futuristic tech content with TechRVR.